Now watch this. Say 90% of the elite from the voter region, they don't want to speak Twi. Have you realized that of late? They all want to speak English. Why? They think that the Twi language is becoming too powerful. But who made the Twi language powerful? It was Philip Beho. It was the Anglos, the Evers, who made the Akan language a powerful language. Because Philip could have written Yanara Assassini, or whoever wrote it could have written that in the Ever language.
Zion Foray TV. Do more than just watch.
Do more than just watch Zion Foray. Every time you watch Zion Foray TV, and this your man Zion Foray. These days, Captain Smart is becoming unbecoming because I know my be kind of these days and I'm no editing. You name baby free. It name the opposite or chile. If you don't can say Fred Behu or to Yenya la assassin, yeah, was say Fred Behu and a man the Twi language, Twi la Santa Casa, ebe popular, ebe cheating. Yanguti and someone can found homeless here. Let's go.
Some books are about Bonte, the golden hen in Ghana, the golden cockerel in Ghana, then, Emma Kwame Nkrumah, Efa Kuko Yini. And yes, CPP are so there was as a result of our Pimadi and their friend Pomadi. Who is documenting these things? And your historians say, well, Memuhano. They've turned into political historians. They always want to write to suit a particular political party and to the disadvantage of another political party. So, then a pomade, a friend of pomade, and there is a pomade. And Obia must say, Quadriagri, or a missionary, what was your idea about what Bagana as a missionary? I feel bedroom Ghana Mumbai as a friend Yabonesu. I mean, come home. Nyanara Assassini, a board in name, it was written by an Igbo man. And anyway, moi. Now, watch this, Philip Beho. The man is an ever. The man is an ever. Now watch this. Say 90% of the elite from the voter region, they don't want to speak Twi. Have you realized that of late? They all want to speak English. Why? They think that the Twi language is becoming too powerful. But who made the Twi language powerful? It was Philip Beho. It was the Anglos, the Evers, who made the Akan language a powerful language. Because Philip could have written Yanara Assassini, or whoever wrote it could have written that in the Ever language. But he did not. It was written in Twi. It was 5 years later before it was translated into the Ewer language. It was 5 years later. Look, it has taken me 7 years to read and go deeper into the history of this country. And I'm telling you, me, say baby, I made Bruno. Maybe I will a penny me. But when it comes to the history of this country, please don't try me. Don't try me. I know you say, and children come for home. I want to come for myself. Do not try me. Because it's taken me 7 solid years to go deeper into the history of this country. So watch this. What happened? That an ever atro yenara assassini eye boardenden maye mojana hwe chino udete west no emodu. I am not sure a typical ewe person at age 17 or 18 can even speak this kind of tree. Nyen ara assassini eye boardenden maye mojana nananu hwegu yede to ho maye edrume ne wonsoso sayebe ye bi atoaso nimdi antoaso kotonkrane and ewe teaching me tree kotonkrane near person min kumiya. You see that? So who are Ewes and who are the Ashantis? Hey, Pine. Yes, hey, Padis, no. Yeah, the Ewes and Akans, Omunka. But could the Tabi across Ghana Habiano, a Santa Fona before Penny? Two tribes.
Could you? Hey, Captain, I did DNA about so. As over Tanawan, same piano, I don't know the Oba studio dear now no me answer na oba. And some okay non fat. And that there was say Frego and a man tree popular. Ah, massa. It is that time now Frego tronium. Senka na tree popular and go be used to tree at the so that time doesn't and when a casano popular sene tree. I think go be used to tree at the Captain, as why been in a yaba from Dodo. Obien will be create content or be facasa NG ding casa nipa be empty and your content and that a binsi. Because be a creative content or pecasa to do an art or pecasa a children will use at the end of content. It has somehow who can say free go and you man and my tree a be a tree. And the tree cast on the buy. Na anaso ono kwan ni pa odin kan titwi e dey na wo keken sata na twi no ono no anwunani no se na twi no enye popular ko ye de na wote twi e dey ye nwom no are you trying to tell us sata na anwuna kasa no eye popular esne twi ya na se nka na anwuna kasa no popular esne twi ya e ti ko be yusu twi dia ye Satan kasa bay e no man e wo man ma na popular as ne twi a wo ka say Frego e na be ma twi e popular. Now have you forgotten how our leaders fought for this? Okun din amokunye na baby ka say but what should I say war any other don moko nyina no mo kan French and as a Hausa. Captain enipa the more na wo gidin the more na wo kokko anima wo gidin no na wo kasa no so amanfo peke na ewurawura na ewuro because wo capture amanfo wo ku na wo chi amanfo e do mo ba ukurum betena ma mo besomwa o musuon kasa o mo kwa mo kasa neko sa na yema twi no trendy e ko echiri masa Ghana land be na Asante ankoso Usual history na masa sunyani ye. Was a Ghana had a history winning size. Now winning size in Pona Wakan's answer way. Or count was a history dear. Wouldn't know history for 7 solid good years. It wouldn't history now Wakan's answer way. Or not for the girl no was a tree in your popular community tree. Masa any content created via creating a content or tenacity. Hey, Tally, me content I'm creating. A crime bear me first content no ebekọ nanim be ma amansan nyina ate ebekọ viral no watana se wie creative ya obese ekasa be na memfa nya content kasa obia betibi kasa dodo na ate na mediaye the content creator Ghana has a crowd is obi be create content English and first it was checking as English and ebia ono no block for 7 and no maybe wo form na on use English na second kasa odwene ho o chale o man mu kura no kasa be na about 60% 70% eti na fan creating content be it movie or music wadwene won say oh chale twi na ye kasa bia Ghana de majority na ete no they are creating the content and wo kasa Frigbeho na e ma twi e be popular na Frigbeho nwom no kura ye na asase ni enipa dodo se ne wo man mu kura omu ne moto o the parliament wo ministers ni MPs wo mo no kasa obia ento kura enipa dodo se kura ne betimato masa empolutu youth na adwene sa it is na say akora bi akwatena exams wo na questions aba na ebuzanze hwan na say kwan be so na twi ebe ye popular also wo Frigbeho na de to nyom na ye popular. Imagine this, Captain wonya abofra wo kasa your research ni yi dwene hu yi na eka because Frigbeho no onya asantini ba tibusa ho say ekwan be so na Frigbeho no kura no fire wate kasa no ade ye no okun a asantofo ekun ye okun asante empenifo ekun ye tetemremu ya asantoa history ne legacy a oja ho ema nchirema no de ya asantoa ye obaso kire se Frigbeho de ne powerful echen wana ya asantoa de ye oyeye ema obia empere enti asante kasa ema obia empere nhwe asante na omunsua na mamre ne kasa na enti de Frigbeho ye very powerful sin ya asanto akon ye Frigbeho de ye powerful sin okon ayi asanteman akon ye. Have you forgotten so soon say asante ne the only ethnic group omo standing before the British omo no omo edi akon nenti se obi ayesa adi wo ya wo ndwene se ne kasa ebekọ akiri amanfo ebepere ahwehwe no wongi ndi se obi yesa adi wo ya obi superior nenti eba na sei na Frigbeho mom na matwi no ekọ nkan masa hu de wo ye ne hu de wo ka na wo ya predodo o predodo adai onkwane general sa wo man abi bia ba se na me na mekan ona kan na ededie baaye muani na ho captain muani enna ho san busa ho se twi ene eve de hini e twere ne kan twi ene eve de hini edin kan etroye na busa ho se edie nti na Frigbeho wa nyusu eve wa nyusu hausa wa nyusu frafra wa nyusu dagati wa nyusu wala wa nyusu nkankasa na oyusu twi diko odwene ehu se twi no ne kasa dodo na ate twi no ne kasa oyusu a ema ne nyom obia betimi esuato na akonkan because oye e dia more man no nti oye dia more man kasa be e no man no majority no ete ye no na odwene ho ama no de use twi kasa no enye se bibie nti no abekasa ono e na e promote twi ona ma twi e be ye e call viral na to na ma twi eje ha na se eje din wo man mu asa en can be done en tufuturu engu youth nani en tufuturu Ghana fo ani captain hunu dia wo ye na wo ya agensemu wo ya magana fo agado captain ni bibia wonim kwe minim no ya doso wo kasa tobo na kasa na chirechire mu endipa ante de wo kanase yemfa gidigidi enchirade yemfa gidigidi enkansa manen to asum nya batrema ho enye wo ho se bibia menam din kan ye wo yesa masa obefili wo yesa wanim ebegu ase empre wo ho enkansa musa wuram ne busa mpenifo fo asoso to fom se adwempo bɛyi na ba afre gbehu etrim wanyu si ne kurom kasa eve na obeyusu twi edetoye ka oye ne sei ede wasoto fom wuram mpenifo mu ebusebusa die ntia adwempo etaa ekiri ama ne yesa enka be kasa kama ama aba abam enka nkasa tra se de waken captain journalism no waye ache na fapin wonya abofra wanyini enti ya kan sema ebeto asomu kan sema enchirima befa no mutumi de abobla amana yeye ka ensema ewom emmo wosirim enka asem da because ayade a edaho emmo wosirim asema esi etwam yemo yesirim nka na emum yewuruwuram na yehu de estia nkasa na yaka cause ha story nyonko ana wanim ensem nyonko ana wanim to wo ka no twene hu yie ne wuwuram yie waka emnesipi. All right, ebusuafo damase monity this Zion for Real TV and I'm song for Zion for Real and so ni meslo so unsubscribe to this very channel meslo subscribe na like it and then comment it na share em afoforo and so enyambi medamate inshira enka obibia
Zion for Real TV. 2 more than just watch.